Happy day, students. I welcome you for class 4 computer science video. Today, we are going to learn about an interesting topic which is called Lesson 8 Browsing Internet Video 1. You all know what is internet, right? So, what is internet? Internet is the one where we get connected with people around the world. So, basically, in our earlier years and days, people used to send mails, that is through letters they used to communicate. But when they communicate, it took longer duration of time. But when the technology is improving, our communication and the internet, I mean the development of the communication between the message passing is being developed in a very faster and easy and quick way, where we can connect with millions and millions of people around the world within a second. We are going to look into this lesson in detail about it. What is internet? What are the uses? What are the requirements for internet connection and internet terms? And how do we have to start the internet? Let's get into the lesson, students. Now, what is internet? So, it is the millions of computers around the world which are connected together to share information from internet. So it stands for International Network. That is, inter is the international and net means network. So we can see our globe and you can see lots of computers. It means like millions of computers getting connected to parse our information around the world. So in short, we can say internet to make our life better. So what are the uses when we are using it? What all the uses in using the internet? We can pass information, news on any subject. You can send, receive anytime, anywhere. And we can also watch videos while talking, book railway tickets, movie tickets online, and even check your exam results also online. Students, I have a fact file for you. Do you know who is he? He is Tim Berners-Lee. He is a founder of the World Wide Web, that is WWW. Now, we learned what is the term of internet, but what do we need when to connect the internet? Let us know the requirements of internet connection. We require a modem, internet connection, a telephone line, and a web browser. So I have another fact for you. An internet service provider which is called ISP. It is the company which gives an access to an internet for a fee. That is like, though we have a telephone line and a web browser and internet connection, we require a connection. That is the internet connection is basically like when we use a cell phone, we have various service provider, like we use BSNL, Airtel, Vodafone, and so on. Likewise, we also need some company where we need to get in touch to get an internet connection. We're going to see various terms in internet. First terms is web page and website. Now, this is a web page and this is a website. So what is the difference between them? Information put in the on the internet in the form of digital. See, digital is the pages is called web pages. Digital means it's in the typing form, which is little bit in a neat form. So that's called as a digital page. Computerized page is nothing but a digital page. And as book contains a number of pages, similarly a website is a collection of many web pages linked together. So nothing. So many web page together, what is it called as? Website. Now next term is about web browser. So browser, in the sense, you need a special application or a program where we can access our usage of the internet. Okay, so web browser, that is internet This is called Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and this is Opera. This is various types of application browser, like how we have in our school, like in when we are reading our classes, we have English, Tamil, Max, like that we have various information of each subject wise. These are the various web browser in which we search information. So now www, the term, it's called as World Wide Web. What does it mean? It refers to the network of the sites of the internet which contains information. So what we search internet for? Basically for some information. It may be a picture, it may be a videos, it may be a song, anywhere. And you know what? After we search these information, we can share it to the people across the world anywhere. And the next term is URL. The full form is Uniform Resource Locator. So here if you see HTTP, URL is the unique name. How do we have a unique name or the roll number when we are in the school, when we appear for our exam? Likewise, URL is a unique address for the website it's given. This is URL. Next, we have come. Let us start connecting to the internet. So the basic step, how we have to connect it. So as I was speaking earlier, we need a modem or the computer connection. Let me brief you out how the connection is getting connected. So basically, when you want an internet, you have to have a computer, which is very, very important. A computer or a laptop, it may be, or a desktop. Okay. To have a connection with the internet, you need a router. This is a router and a modem. It's the signal. Router is nothing but a signal. Modem is the company in which it provides. Okay. And then what will happen? The net will be connected. I will explain to you in detail. Now, this is the connection here for a wireless connection. So how do you connect it on your screen? Now, this is your taskbar. On your taskbar, what is this side? This is the right hand side. We call it as a notification area, right? So in this notification area, you can see a step like, can you see like a steps here? Like this, you will have this represent connecting an internet. Now on number one, you can see the net is not connected. So what is the message you are getting it? Not connected. So how do we do it? Basically, on your taskbar on the notification area, click on that internet connection. So once you connect to the internet connection, it will show you the list of net, that is the wireless network or the network which is available on your computer. So now since our books is KIPS, and just for that identification, I've written as KIP. You can keep any name for your net connection. So here I've given KIPS. Okay. So we have to connect. There are lots of like nearby connection of the net. Who are having the wireless, it will appear, but you can't get connected to it unless you have a username and the password to it. So now choose the net on which you are going to access, and once you click onto it, you will get a symbol and you have an option called connect. So once you click onto the connect, and once it is connected, now can you see the difference between picture 1 and the picture 3 here? You can see the net. There was can you see a sunrise kind of a symbol? It represent not connected. But in third picture, clearly you can see nothing is there. It means that full white color. Can you see? Yes, that means the net is connected. So once the net is connected, you can go to the website. This is how you can go to the various website, whichever you can. So for example, so San Academy, we can go even search to our website and you can get connected to it, and you can access whatever you would like to. Thank you, students. I will I'll explain to you the remaining details to you in video 2 of this lesson. Thank you. You all have a great day.